I'm Minghan.
My name is Yuling.
I'm Louis.
So, we are PlanDeis. And PlanDeis is a Brandeis app that focuses on course searching and course planning. We aim to improve the course planning experience for Brandeis students. PlanDeis has a powerful search engine that made from scratch by our team. It is customized according to the Brandeis course data to improve usability and accuracy. And it's also supported by voice search. The other central feature of PlanDeis is major planning. As you may know, nearly half of the Brandeis undergraduate students pursue a double major. Some pursue majors that's related, some pursue majors that's in opposite fields. Some even pursue a triple major or triple minor. And PlanDeis can help you plan your majors. It incorporates all the Brandeis course and major info, presenting them to you in a single page. So you can plan your majors, choose your courses, and add them to your personal schedule. I know many of you in this room are freshmen. Either you want to plan your courses in the coming semester or plan your majors in the next 4 years. PlanDeis is the right app for you. And it's not just another course planning app. It is the course planning app that's dedicated to Brandeis students. So it's for you. We have a great team working on the app. We've been working on the app for the past 2 months, and we will be adding more features in the coming weeks. But the app is ready. Right now, it's up and running on one of the Brandeis server right now. So let's see it. Louis will introduce you to the search engine. And oh, by the way, Louis is double major in computer science and music composition. Two completely different fields. And he almost single-handedly coded the search engine.
So there are two major parts for app. One for the course search and one for the major planning. And for the course search, it's very fast, of course. And it allows you to use different parameters, which basically you can say things like, I can search a course by the term, by professor name, time and date, as many things as you need for a search. And also we have a very friendly interface. You can view the detail for the course in a very looking good interface. And also we have a voice search part. You can search for a course using pretty complex requests, and it also gives you fast response and accurate results. And another major part is the major planning. And it's simply just you can choose a major and choose a term range, and you can look the information and help you choose courses for your major plan. And then Rob is going to introduce more details.
Okay, so there are some aspects of the current course search and planning experience that could be a little more user-friendly. Like here, this is the registrar's search, and yeah, you can see it there. The results here are first query on COSI 12, and none of these are COSI 12. And also, all the information is spread out in many different places right now. So, you have the university bulletin, which has major requirements and other department info. You have the search results on this page here, and you can only view descriptions by clicking each one and looking at a pop-up. So what one of our primary goals is, and why we think PlanDeis sticks out, is we integrate all these things together. We have the powerful search, multi-parameters, fast, auto-suggestions, the voice, which we'll demonstrate in a minute, and for the major planning, we integrate the bulletin and multiple term planning. So now we'll give you a little demo.
So we'll first start doing a search, and for example, a co-sci course, I can just type co-sci with an A, and we return all the courses. And also, if I want more refined result, I can add like Tim Hickey, and I can find the name here, and it will return results. So, and for our parameter input box, like it has a search selection feature, which allows you to type just part of it. For example, there's a women's study major, which have a very long name, and you can just type part of it, and you'll see it. Click it, and we'll, I guess, have to remove the keyword, otherwise it won't return results. And click enter, it will return all the courses for that major. And if I want to see some interested courses, and for example, I search for Math 20A, no, there's no Math 20. Oh, no, department, yeah, or department, Math 20. And for example, I may want to take that course in next semester, and I just click it to view detailed information. And I can just add it to my wish list, which I can like view it later on my calendar, and just click it, it's added to the wish list. And that's basically the main feature. And, oh, and also sometimes if you don't know exact course code, for example, I don't know if it's Math 10 or Math 100, I can click this, and I just type Math 1, and it will return all courses having that code, and you can see the course title to help you like find which one is the one you want, and that's pretty much it for the text search. And now the Rob is going to do a voice search.
All right, so voice is built right into our app, and as we've talked about, our mission is to deliver powerful, meaningful results in a flexible but fast way. So let's just try a few example queries here. So, can I see chemistry courses? We get chemistry courses from all the terms that we have data for, which is since 2004. You can search by department, course code. So let me see Bio 15B. It gives you 15B, which is cells and organisms. You can search by professor and term. So show me co-sci courses taught by Timothy Hickey for fall 2016. And it gives you the one course that Tim will be teaching this fall. And you can also search by title. So how about the JBS Incubator for summer 2016? And there's our course. So it's easy to search with multiple parameters in voice with PlanDeis. With the power of HTML5 and API.ai, we funnel the voice recognition results right into the search algorithm by identifying the key elements, matching them with the parameters of our search. So I think that goes a long way towards making this voice search, as I said, powerful but flexible. The major planning demo is next.
Finally, it's the major planning, and so I'm going to major in computer science. I want to have a major plan, so I go to new plan. Okay, the coming semester, and the following semester. To computer science. Yes, here we go. It's a side-by-side page, so on the right side, that's the bottom page, and on the left side, it's all the courses. Let's see, I already took 11A and 12B, so I'll skip that. 21A. 21A. Data structure. Okay. Add them to my schedule and take another one. 29. 9A, and that's discrete structure. Okay. 2 will be enough. Make my schedule. And here it is, the cosine 21A and 29A. Section 4, and I add them to my schedule. That looks good, and if you decide to take it, you just decide to take it, and that's the Sage code. Just we use Sage, and here we go. Okay, and oh, and you put a math 20. I will steal that to my schedule. So, okay. Looks good. No class on Tuesday and Friday. Okay. Make my plan. And there it is. See. And if I decide to not taking it, just delete. There it is. See, plan. That's the major plan.
Okay, so that's pretty much it for the demo. And Rob is coming to.
So just a couple more thoughts on our app. We think we might have about 3,610 potential users. That's you. We're dealing with a lot of data in this application. And when you get to a good scale, management of that can become a problem. So that's where indexes have come in for us. So this is a search for one instructor, and you can see it takes 0.07 seconds, which is pretty fast. But if you say have 100 users, that becomes 7 seconds. So dropping that from, if with an index, that drops to 1/10 of a second for those 100 users. So you can see that this really adds up over time. And Julie is going to talk a little bit about what underpins our app.
Yeah, to build our website, we use Meteor and MongoDB. Meteor is an open source web application framework. It allows for very rapid prototyping. And MongoDB is great for user profiles and the structure of form data. In our website, we use HTML, JS, CSS, and database. We apply semantic UI in HTML and API.ai in database. In the future, we will open more functions like course statistics. It can show how many % of students who major in computer science will take cosine 11A. The notification part can remind students to choose courses instead. We will also add user rating parts that allow students to rate their professors. We will ask Brandeis Academic Office for the data of course evaluation, so the students can see course evaluation directly in our website. In addition, we will allow students to plan for double major. Finally, thanks our professors Tim Hickey and our professor Maria Mathieu.
By the way, like I said, the site is up and running, so if you type here's the site,
PlanDeis.com.
PlanDeis.com.
Wait.